Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome to our first episode of Rich People Math. You guys have been asking, so I shall deliver. In today's video, in the simplest way possible, you're going to learn what in the world is percentage increase. My name is Coach Sumo. Let's get into the video. First, let's get this legal out of the way. My lawyers would have me say this. I am not a financial advisor. I pull from my own experiences to educate others about building wealth, starting businesses, getting money, and investing. Some of you have asked if I could start making short videos explaining terms and concepts of importance to high net worth individuals or people who aspire to join the HNW club. That should be everyone that is subscribed to this channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to find percent increase, also known as percentage increase. Now, I'm going to take from my own experiences. It helps to have real life examples. Back in April 8th, 2016, I purchased some Apple stock for around $26 a share. Now, I always get sick to my stomach when I buy stocks, but I'm a long-term investor. I don't know anything about day trading, and I'm not a lucky guy, but I wait at least 5 years to check the performance of my purchases. Now, on today, the day that I'm making this video, April 10th, 2022, Apple is trading for about $170 a share. To date, I have realized a value increase in my initial investment of 553%. Wow, that sounds good, but Coach Sumo, what does that mean? Here's how you figure out percentage increase. Here is the formula, guys. You subtract your starting value from your final value. Divide your answer by your starting value. You then multiply by 100 to get your percent increase. If the percentage is negative, it means there was a decrease. You need to make some changes. So for my real life situation, this is what it looks like. Percent increase of my Apple stock equals $170, which is what Apple is trading for today, minus $26, which is what Apple was trading for at the time I purchased it in 2016. That gives us a total of 144. You take that 144 and you divide it by your starting value. So that's 144 divided by 26. Remember the $26 from back in 2016. That gives us a total of 5.538. I typically go out at least 3 decimal points, guys. Okay, that's a good habit. Now, our next step is to multiply that number by 100. 5.538 times 100 equals 553.8. My Apple stock increased in value by 553%. If you guys have any issues with this, or you feel like this isn't as clear as my Alibaba videos, let me know. I'll try to do a little better or try to answer your questions. But guys, if you're going to get to another level financially, you at least need to have a layman's understanding of some of these terms and concepts that I'll be adding to the channel. I appreciate all you guys, but before you go, if you're new, if you ever plan on launching a new product on Kickstarter or Indiegogo, please consider joining the LazyFeed community. I will not stop until we have at least 1 million subscribers on this channel, who will be the initial support system that we all need when we launch a campaign or project on a crowdfunding platform. Your projects and campaigns are not failing because your ideas are not good. They are failing because in the first 24 to 48 hours, you don't have tons of people. You don't have the network. You're not part of a community. So you don't have the people that are donating at least $1 to your campaign. Imagine what we can do with 1 million people that are on the same page. My name is Coach Sumo. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.